2018 INFINITI QX30. The INFINITI QX30 is a premium crossover with plenty of style and performance. The QX30 offers ultimate maneuverability and is loaded with a high-quality interior space. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power passenger seat, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, navigation package, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, fog lights, CD player, heated front seats, security system, trip computer, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, panic alarm, brake assist. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.